here's a quick way to open up your chest, open the shoulders, and take a nice break from your computer work. If you work at a computer, I want you to do this at least once a day, all right? And you don't have to do anything different. You can stay seated or you can do this standing. So we'll start by closing your eyes, taking a deep breath in, and open your mouth, let out a sigh. Do that again, inhaling. Now you're going to inhale and roll your shoulders forward and up, and then exhale, bring them back and down. Really slow, like you're peeling your shoulder blades back. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, exaggerate it back and down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more for good luck. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now you're just going to simply drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Relax your jaw. Wiggle it out. Deep breath in and exhale. Come back through the center. Left ear, left shoulder. Bring it down. Deep breath in. Relax the jaw. Wiggle it. Sigh out. Come back through the center. Good. And now you're going to bring your right arm across your shoulder. Take your left hand to your elbow. And then again, make sure that your shoulders dropped away from your ear. Now rotate the right wrist. Get the cracks out of the fingers and the joints. Good. Keep pulling that elbow in, feeling the stretch on the outside of the right shoulder. Now bring your right arm up. Pat yourself on the back and take your left hand to your elbow, pull it back. Now if you can bring your left hand around to grab onto your right hand, pull the ribs in if you're here, and we're just breathing. Feeling the nice opening in the right arm. And then slowly release, shake the shoulders out. Left arm goes across the chest, left hand is out, and then make sure you're dropping the shoulder away from the ear. Holding on, rotate the wrist, crack the fingers. Good, keep breathing into the shoulder. Now left arm comes up, pat yourself on the back. Take your hand to your elbow, push it back, stay here. Or reach around, maybe clasping your hands, pull the ribs in, continue to breathe. And release. Shake it out. Great. Next, you're going to bring your hands behind you, interlace your fingers, clasp your hands, and then open the chest. I'm trying to straighten the arms and lift my hands up away from my bum. Yes, now I'm going to bend my elbows and bring that fist, both hands, over to the left hip, and I'm going to pull my left elbow back. Now this is kind of like plugging my shoulders in, so I'm feeling the right shoulder stretching a lot. I'm going to drop my left ear to my left shoulder, so over towards the direction of the hands and the elbow. Relax the jaw. And now you're going to do tiny half circles over on the left side so that I'm stretching the entire right side of the neck and shoulder. Feels really good. Big sighs out. Pause where you need to, where you feel the most sensation. That might mean that you need to take a couple more breaths there. And then slowly we'll come back through the center. Let's open the chest, straighten the arms, lift up, look up, and then bend your elbows. We'll bring the fists over to the right hip, pull the right elbow back, plug that in, and then drop your head over to the right. Definitely feeling a lot on the left side. Wiggle the jaw. And then start to rock the head back and forth on the right side. We're feeling the opening on the left side of the neck and shoulder. Good. Pause wherever you need to. Good. And then slowly make your way back through the center. Open the chest. Relax your shoulders. Shake it out. Excellent. And then one last stretch. Palms come together. Press your palms forward. Lift your hands up. Lift your chest. Lift your heart. A big arch in the spine. Bend the elbows. Keep opening the chest. Maybe smile. We're looking up. We're lifting the heart. And release. Shake it out. Whew. That should feel nice and open. My shoulders feel a little bit more back, so I'm going to carry on with my day. Enjoy.